The ZipWall poles are a well thought out but simple tool. Made of anodized aluminum, they are very strong. Yet the SLP weighs in at about 1.5 pounds. They extend from 4 feet 9 inches to 12 feet. They're telescopic and lock at any length by twisting one tube against the other like this. Simple and quick. To unlock, just twist the other way. The black collars add a nice finish to the end of each tube and stop the tubes from pulling out all the way. The SLP has a spring-loaded plunger built into the pole and is made of polycarbonate, which makes it virtually unbreakable. The plate has a non-skid material on the top that grips the ceiling. Once it touches, it grabs like mad, and yet it won't leave a mark, even on the cleanest painted ceilings. The head is attached to the pole on a ball joint, so the pole can be placed on an angled ceiling and the non-skid plate still won't let go. One of the things that makes this product such a winner is the way the plate and head come apart to accept plastic. Attaching the plastic sheeting to the top is incredibly easy. Start by simply snapping the plate off the head like this. The head has keyhole snaps and the plate has pegs that fit perfectly into the snaps. Bring the edge of the plastic sheeting up and over the head. Now push the plate into place and slide it to lock the plastic and the plate firmly to the pole. With the plastic sheeting attached to the pole, place the bottom of the first pole on the ground. Then raise the pole to the ceiling next to the wall. Compress the spring about halfway so you have room to lift the pole a bit. Attach the next pole to the plastic sheeting and raise it into place, pulling the plastic sheeting tight across the ceiling. Again, compressing the spring only about halfway. The poles can be placed 8 to 10 feet apart. ZipWall is also great for jobs with drop ceilings. Just raise the pole until the head firmly contacts the T-bar of the drop ceiling. Then, follow the T-bar until you've sectioned off your work area. It's always important to install all the poles before tucking the plastic sheeting underneath. And since the poles are spring-loaded at the top, this is really easy to do. Plastic sheeting can be slippery on many surfaces, so we developed the grip disc to hold the pole and sheeting in place. Simply lift the pole and sheeting and put the grip disc on the floor underneath. Then put the pole and sheeting back on top of it. Now to really lock the barrier in place, completely compress the plungers on all the poles. It's that simple. Now you have a tight barrier top to bottom. When you need the tightest seal possible, use our new Tight Seal accessories. They gently push the barrier against the ceiling and wall for a tape-free, dust-tight seal, without causing damage. For those times when you need the barrier tightly sealed, or if your barrier is going to be in the same place for an extended period of time, the foam rail crossbars are a must. Each package comes with T-clips. Simply snap one onto the rail at the sticker, then attach it to an SLP. One quick note, you need to remove the head before attaching the foam rail crossbar. Pull the head straight off the pole. What about the walls? Use the ZipWall side pack to create a tight seal. It comes with a bag, 6 side clamps, and 6 3-foot foam rails. Here's how to seal a wall in no time. Once you have the ZipWall barrier system in place, use the side clamp and foam rail to press the extra material against the wall. Start by attaching a foam rail to the side clamp. Squeeze the clamp to open it, and place the foam rail between the pole and the wall. Release the pressure and the rubber end grabs the pole, pushing the extra sheeting tightly against the wall. Use the ZipWall heavy-duty zipper when you have a barrier that's going to be up for a while, if there will be a lot of traffic in and out, or if the work site will get cold. This zipper stays on in temperatures below freezing. To install this zipper, unroll it and determine its placement. Be sure the pull is at the floor. You want to make sure that the end of the zipper is below where the plastic bends at the floor. Then, starting at the top, Peel the backing off one side of the zipper, removing the paper, pressing the zipper onto the sheeting as you go. When the zipper is in place, open the zipper to the top and then cut the opening with the ZipWall zipper knife sheeting cutter. This special knife has two blades about 3/4 of an inch apart. Simply poke them through the plastic sheeting until the blades begin to cut. Then, bring the knife down, cutting a 3/4 inch swath. This cuts a channel to keep the plastic from jamming the zipper teeth. This knife comes with each box of heavy-duty zippers. This zipper is great for use in temporary interior barriers where the temperature doesn't go below 55 degrees Fahrenheit. It comes with 2 zippers and 2 ties per box. The zipper knife that comes with the heavy-duty zipper does not work with the standard zipper. To install this zipper, unroll it and determine its placement. Be sure the pull is at the floor and that the end of the zipper is below where the plastic bends. Then, starting at the top, peel the backing off the zipper and press it firmly onto the sheeting as you go. When the zipper is in place, carefully open it, making sure to keep the adhesive in contact with the plastic. With a razor knife, cut the opening using the teeth as a guide. Now with the zipper open, use your thumb and forefinger to press the plastic and the zipper together for a solid bond.